Hi guys, Marian here. Welcome back to my channel. I have a super exciting announcement to make, but before that, I need to share a super huge, mega 100,000 subscriber thank you to you guys. I cannot believe that my channel hit 100,000 subscribers. My ultimate dream goal when I started YouTube 5 years ago was to reach 100,000 subscribers, and as the years went by, I was just like, well, that's just never gonna happen. Like, not that many people care about my Jewish mommy life, but it actually happened. So I just want to share a huge heartfelt thank you for each and every one of you that hit that red subscribe button. And if you haven't yet, go ahead and do it. Just hit that red subscribe button. It means so much to any content creator. Basically, what subscribing means is you're telling YouTube, I like this channel. And all that means is when you open your YouTube app, you may or may not see my videos, but it means so much to the content creator, and it's just hugely beneficial as the channel grows. But like I said, there was a while where I was just like, it's just not gonna happen. Not enough people care about Jewish life, Jewish holidays, my life, motherhood, but it happened. So I'm so thankful. It definitely has been a long process, and I know a lot of you guys are just here for this and don't want to hear my whole spiel, but I just want to say such a heartfelt thank you because I am so thankful to have reached this huge milestone. When you are a content creator, you don't have a boss, which is awesome, but then you also don't have anyone to be like, you're doing good, try this, don't do that anymore. So it's really just like doing what you think is right. So it just feels so good to have hit that milestone. Okay, and now what we're here for today, I'm launching a Hanukkah cookbook. Let me zoom in it so you can see. This is a digital download. If you've been with me for a little while now, you know that I love selling digital downloads on Etsy. I have a Jewish holiday calendar every year. I have a Passover Haggadah, and I also have a How to Grow on Instagram download, but I've always wanted to put together a Hanukkah recipe book because I have so many Hanukkah recipes that I love sharing with you guys, and whenever I post them on YouTube, I always get comments like, can I get the details? Like, can I get in writing? Is there a way I can print it? So I was like, you know what? It is time. The wonderful photographer, Sarah, did all these photographs of me and my family. I'll put her link down below because what she does is amazing. She does personalized cookbooks. So anyone that has family recipes that wants to put them together in a cookbook, I'll put up a picture of what she does, how it looks over here. She will come to your house, photograph for you, and put together the recipe book. So she reached out to me to do that so I could share her services with you guys. I've actually worked with her before, and I was like, yeah, of course. And I was like, wait a minute, this is my chance. You're taking pictures of me doing Hanukkah recipes. I want to put out a Hanukkah cookbook. Let's do it. So this is the table of contents. It has a whole bunch of recipes. The book is 27 pages, I believe, and it also includes the Hanukkah blessings for the candles, how to play dreidel, my challah recipe, how to make Shabbatnika challah, of course, latkes, all my tips and tricks for delicious, crispy, smooth, best of the best latkes. And then of course I also have my sweet potato latkes, which is a favorite in our house, and I have brisket, cholent, sweet and sour meatballs, pierogies, roast chicken, blintzes. There's a lot here. And of course dessert. I love these Hanukkah sugar cookies. That was a super fun one to make and photograph. We've got homemade donuts, a simple hack for that, cupcakes, and all different decorating ideas for those. Rugelach, white chocolate blondies. I hope I'm making you guys hungry now. Lakshenkugel, marshmallow dreidels. How beautiful. As well as Hanukkah hot cocoa board, and then a major thank you at the end to you guys for supporting me once again. So let me just be clear. This is a printed version. I'm selling a digital download, which means you can print it however you like, however many times you like, although I would ask if you're gonna you can resell it, of course. And if you're gonna print it, let's say you want to give it out at your synagogue or nursery school or something like that, let me know and I can provide you a discounted bulk order rate if you're gonna do something like that. But you can print it out. You can give one to your mom, to your your grandmother. I think it makes a beautiful Hanukkah holiday gift, and just to have in your home as an easy reference for everything you need for celebrating Hanukkah all in one place. So I'm so excited to finally have this out. It is available for purchase on Etsy, where all my digital products are. I think I have a 4-star, 5-star review, and I've had over, I don't know, like 1,000 sales. So very much credited place to sell and buy digital downloads. I would love to make this, to put this out in print one day, or maybe like an extended version of this. But for now, I love a digital download. I've been selling them for years. It's nice because then you can print them however you like. You can have it on your phone, on your computer, share it, give it as a gift, whatever you like. So I'm so excited for this to be out. Please let me know if you get it and you cook the recipes and how it goes for you. I hope that it is helpful in finding Hanukkah ideas and inspiration for your home. Okay, so before I sign off, also, oh wait, if you have any questions about the Hanukkah cookbook, just put them in the comments down below and I'll try to answer any of them. Before I sign off, I just remembered one thing I wanted to share about hitting 100,000 subscribers, which is that I really notice every subscriber, if that makes sense. And I have a vivid memory of taking my, I guess, 1.5-year-old at the time. Come on, people. Don't mind me. I have a vivid memory of taking my 1.5-year-old on a stroller walk around our neighborhood, and I'm checking my phone to see if I finally hit 20 subscribers, right? Double digits. I guess that's what double digits, but you know what I mean. I hit 10 and I was so excited to hit 20 subscribers. And I remember being on the walk and I saw it go from 20 to 21, like right there on the walk, and I was just over the moon. I was like, this is real. I'm gonna make this happen. So that's just to say I'm so thankful for each and every one of you that have hit subscribe and helped me make this YouTube dream a reality. And thank you so much for supporting me and my products that I sell so I can do this full time. I love you guys. I'm wishing you a happy Hanukkah and holiday season, and I'll see you in the next one.